response that we've got. It's been very promising. The trailer hit heavy views very, very quickly within 48 hours. So we're very happy. The film is up to release on 13th. And now we're just geared up for the release and hoping that everyone enjoys the film as much as we did.
The spring-summer collection is more of an on-the-move collection, just like the one you seem to be wearing in the film. So would you like to throw some light on the same? More of an on-the-move collection like the one you will see in the film. And you're wearing such clothes in the film and shoes. So would you like to throw some light on that?
It's a great match, and it goes with our film. So we're happy with this association, and I hope people like the collection as much as we did, right?
Now, without wasting any time, would you like to unveil the collection, please?
Personally, I wear a lot of flats, and I think I always say that you give a girl a pair of flats and she can conquer the world. So
And she can go flat.
no, she can conquer the world and make people go flat. That's why I think all the girls who work will agree with this. You know, we need trendy flat shoes because you're always on the run and you always. I mean, I personally love them. So I'm really happy that the collection is really has a good collection of flats. It's nice.
So you're not a very brogues and ballerina kind of a person, are you?
I'm not. I like that also. I'm a huge shoe fetish, so I love shoes in any case. I love all kinds of shoes. But they're more practical, you know, flat shoes. And if they're trendy like the ones that we see here, then there's nothing like it.
Actually, my look is very, very regular. If you look at it, I mean, it's just a ganji and a hoodie. It's something that can be really, I mean, any girl on the streets would dress like that. So it's really pertaining to that, because the entire film is, you know, very realistic and it's very organically portrayed whatever is done. So are the clothes and the way I look and hair and makeup and everything. I think everyone can take something away from this. It's something that, yes, the protagonist of the film is a woman, but this is something what happens in the film can happen to anybody who has traveled on the roads in India, and you know anybody can get into a situation like this, and I think that's what's amazing about the film. And it is about a personal struggle. You know, how far can you get pushed till you decide to give back. So I think that's something that's very, very, I thought was very special, which I think people would feel when they watch the film.
I'm sure everyone here is excited and curious, and everyone has questions to ask Anushka. So I throw open the session to our audience to ask Anushka one by one.
Yes.
See, we don't want to compromise with the film. In fact, they've had the screening today, and we've gotten A certificate with one visual cut and few audio cuts, which we've accepted. It's very important, but it's with an adult certificate. As far as we could, we have not compromised with our with the story, with what we're trying to say in the film, and I think somewhere we are happy with what has happened. We've made a very responsible film, a very honest film, something that happens, and that's what people will see when they watch the film. It's something that it's something that I'm sure a lot of people must have experienced in any case, and that's what they're going to watch.
There's a big debate as far as the censor board is concerned. You know, censor board is to certify film and not, you know, cut it and try and tone down.
Yeah.
What is
Ideally, I would have liked it if there was only certification, just ratings given to the film. Because then it is up to it's up to individual discretion, you know, whether you want to watch a film or not. I think it's up for an adult to decide. I guess it's work in progress, and we have put up, you know, our I would say our
Industry.
yeah, as an industry we all put together for it, and NH10 I think would be one film where you see that, you know, we've tried to push the boundaries with this film, and there is, I mean, of course, as much as we could, we have fought for it, and now what we have will be coming out on the 13th.
So you heard it from the censor board and they cleared the film. That's why you're saying it's releasing on the 13th.
The film is releasing on the 13th. It's got one visual cut, and otherwise most of it has been passed, and it's got few audio cuts.
Is there any changes in this, like the first word which you have censor board has banned?
Yes.
Is it same or like today?
I just said we've had to cut few abuses.
But are you okay with it?
See, we knew that we were not making or doing, or no actors was saying something for effect. It was because that is the way people talk in that belt, right? And it is something that has been done with utmost honesty. So we would have appreciated if it wasn't. But then a lot of the things that we wanted to retain in the film has pleasantly been retained.
Anushka, producer with this morning, Mukesh Bhatt has had a press conference where he has come into your support NH and the controversy which is related to the film. So what do you have to say about this?
I'm very happy. The industry has really come together this time, you know, because as an industry, you know, we're in that age where we're making cinema which is different, unique. We're trying to push boundaries. You know, we're growing as an industry. So obviously we will all come together in support of one another. And like I said earlier, it's an honest film, you know. There is no glorification of anything that we've done. I think there's some certain credibility attached to the people who made this film also. You know, there's no need for we've not tried to insinuate anything through the film. We're showing things as it is.
अनुष्का, जैसा कि हमने देखा है कि इंडिया में
लड़की को शॉप में लेके आए हुए तो ऑब्वियसली डिस्ट्रैक्ट होंगे ना।
इंडिया में स्वाइन फ्लू का वायरल होते हमने देखा सोनम कपूर को भी स्वाइन फ्लू है, उनकी सलामती के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
यार मेरे पास नंबर है उनका, मैं उनको खुद बोल दूंगी। Yeah. Same what you said.
Alright, that's about it for the Q&A session.
Hey! उससे पहले पूछा था।
बतौर प्रोड्यूसर कितना फख्र महसूस करती हैं क्योंकि आपने NH10 जैसी एक आसान फिल्म नहीं चुनी है, एक कठिन फिल्म चुनी है।
Oh, no doubt about it. जितना एक्सपीरियंस मेरे को मे भी कुछ फिल्में करके मिलता है वो मुझे एक्सपीरियंस एक ही फिल्म के साथ मिल गया है प्रोड्यूसर. So I'm very happy it really taught me a lot. It made me see like I've gone on saying, you know, when you guys watch the film you'll understand we've made a very true film. हमने पूरे दिल से उसको बनाया है and in a way it's something very original that people have not seen and we really believed in it. So we've fought for it. We've fought for the film to like see the light of day and that's happening now. So we're very happy that our
पैटर्न टूटा है हाल फिलहाल हमने देखा है न्यू एज फिल्म में.
जी
किस तरह से देखती हैं इस पैटर्न टूटने सिनेमा?
आई थिंक ये पैटर्न इसलिए टूटा है क्योंकि ऑडियंसेस रेडी है ऐसी फिल्म देखने के लिए. यू नो जब लोग रेडी है देखने के लिए तो हम लोग वो फिल्में बनाएंगे उनको दिखाने के लिए एंड वो एक जिसे बोलते वो दैट कनेक्शन इज बरकरार. इट्स हैपेंड ऑलवेज. नाउ आई थिंक पीपल आर अवेयर. हम लोग पढ़ते हैं बहुत अवेयर होते हैं क्या क्या होता है फिल्मों में और क्या क्या होता है दुनिया में एंड वो देखना चाहते हैं कि आप स्क्रीन में उसी चीज़ को अगर दर्शा रहे हैं दे वांट टू वॉच इट. So I'm happy that we are part of that. You know, that I've come in a time where industry has seen that kind of change. We're making like different cinema, and I'm happy that I have been with my first film that I've started with a film like this. You know, that I've in a way we've done something original, which I'm very proud of.
Anushka,
This was the last question for you.
Papa,
yes.
what is that?
Your phone, I'm listening to you. I mean, when you make a film like this and you're going through so much trouble, does that actually dishearten you from making another film just like this one? The next film that
We'll do it again.
You will do it again?
Because see, we're telling a story and we're all educated people who understand our responsibilities towards the society. So that is not going to ever be compromised. So we will continue making films that are saying what is there. I mean, you're meant to see what's happening. Whatever is happening in the film, it happens. You read about it in papers. The brutality is much more In fact, we are not even showing it. The world is so brutal. You're not even showing that. You can't even show that brutality on screen. As people, we wouldn't want to make it. So whatever we've made is actually much a downsized version of it.
Now, on behalf of Charles and team,